Finding a comfortable seated position, allowing any fidgets or adjustments to naturally subside. Visualize the gentle string pulling you up from the crown of your head, straightening the spine. Resting the hands on your knees to bring the attention inwards. Start to take a few deeper breaths, exhaling any tension. On the next exhale, gently closing your eyes, returning your breath to its natural rhythm. Noticing the sounds around you without trying to judge them in any way. Notice the connection between your body and the surface beneath you. Becoming aware of any sensations, the fabric against your skin, the temperature of the room. Bringing the focus back to your breath. Feeling the rise and fall of your chest or the air flowing in and out of your nose. Concentrating on the most noticeable point of movement. If you're struggling to find the movement of the breath, placing a hand on your belly, allow the breath to guide your awareness without trying to change it in any way, following its natural ebbs and flows. Pausing to tune into the sounds around you again. Noticing the feeling of fabric against your skin and the weight of the body on the surface beneath you. Gently opening your eyes, taking a moment to sense any shifts within. Express gratitude to yourself for this intentional reset, dedicating 4 minutes to your well-being today. Sit with any remaining sensations or emotions that arose during this practice. When you're ready, ease back into your surroundings, carrying this renewed sense of presence with you.